Good morning everyone. Today I, Gulnaz of class 11th Commerce, wish you a very happy Onam on behalf of Navniti House. Today's motivational thought by Ayush of class 10th B.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today's thought is, a dream written down with a date become a goal which is broken down into steps become a plan, and a plan which is backed by the action becomes a reality. Thank you and have a nice day.
So, on the auspicious occasion of Onam, Ayush and Abhinav are presenting a virtual prayer with lamp lighting in front of you all.
So let's start with the prayer.
So this was an Onam song in Malayalam. In this song, we pray for the greenery and welfare of Kerala.
Onam is celebrated because it is believed that the King Mahabali visited the people of Kerala. King Mahabali was sent to the Patalok by the Lord Vishnu, who took the Vamanam avataram. So the King Mahabali requested Lord Vishnu to have once a year to visit Kerala. So King Mahabali visits Kerala is celebrated as Onam. Happy Onam to all of you.
So, after this heartwarming prayer, Aditya Girish of class 10th B is going to give some more information on Onam.
Morning greetings to all. I, Aditya Girish of class 10B, is going to throw some light on the festival Onam. Onam is the harvest festival celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated with joy and enthusiasm all over the state by Malayalis, regardless of their religion, caste or creed. According to a popular legend, it is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali, whose spirit is said to visit Kerala at time of Onam. It begins in the month of Chingam. Chingam is the first month of the Malayalam calendar. It is a 10-day long festival. First day Attam and 10th day Tiruonam are most important. In this day, women wear sari, men wear shattanmun and children wear pattu pavada. Many tourists visit Kerala to be a part of this festival. So I wish everyone a very happy Onam. Thank you.
Now, Ayush of class 5th C and Abhinav of class 7th A is going to present a skit in front of you that why do we celebrate Onam every year.
Story goes that the beautiful state of Kerala was ruled by an Asura king Mahabali. The king was greatly respected in his kingdom and was considered to be wise, judicious and extremely generous. So the Devtas were jealous and asked Lord Vishnu to see to it. Then Lord Vishnu took the Vamana Avatara and visited King Mahabali.
Hey Vamana, why have you visited my kingdom?
Hey Rajan, I heard a lot of things about you. You are a very generous king. Can you give me 3 steps of land to do yagya?
Only 3 steps of land. Ha ha ha. Please measure the land.
Hey Rajan, I have measured the whole sky with my first step, then whole earth with my second step. Where should I keep my third step?
Hey noble person, you can keep your 3rd step on my head.
Okay Rajan, I am sending you to Patalok. Now onwards, you will be ruling there.
I accept your order, Bhagwan, but please give me permission to visit Kerala once in a year to see my praja.
Tataastu.
And this way, Onam is celebrated every year.
Now, Preeti of class 12th Arts is going to present a beautiful dance performance in front of you all.
മലയാളി മണ്ണിൻ കൂട്ടാളി മതിലുകളിൽ